Welcome to today's update on cardamom prices and market trends. The cardamom market has been experiencing significant fluctuations, but recent developments suggest a strong recovery might be on the horizon. Let's dive into the key factors driving these price changes and what to expect in the coming weeks. In June, cardamom was trading at an average price of 2,568 rupees per kilogram. However, by the third week of August, prices dipped to around 2,100 rupees per kilogram. This decline was driven by seasonal factors and oversupply in the market. But now, with the festive season upon us, the demand for cardamom is seeing a noticeable uptick. Festivals like Onam and Diwali are major drivers of cardamom consumption, and as we head into this period, market analysts are forecasting a sharp rebound in prices. A recovery in cardamom prices is already being observed, with traders and buyers expecting a bullish market ahead. One of the critical factors contributing to this price surge is the significant crop damage caused by severe heat waves earlier this year. It's estimated that around 40 to 50% of cardamom crops have been affected, leading to reduced supply. This limited availability is expected to support higher prices in the coming weeks. For example, while prices were hovering around 2,217 rupees per kilogram last month, this is still a jump from last year's average of 1,780 rupees per kilogram, reflecting the overall tightening of supply in the market. In Kerala's Idukki region, which is one of the major cardamom producing areas, farmers are facing additional challenges. Malabar parakeet attacks have further worsened crop losses, putting pressure on production. In response to these ongoing challenges, the Spices Board of India has introduced a new digital initiative known as Cards app. This app provides farmers with crucial data, including soil test results and fertility mapping, helping them improve productivity and manage crops more effectively despite adverse conditions. The situation isn't just limited to India. Internationally, Nepal's large cardamom market is also seeing price increases. Ahead of the Dashain festival, prices of large cardamom in regions like Birtamod, Japa have surged to 2,100 rupees per kilogram, signaling positive trends globally. This further supports the optimistic outlook for cardamom producers as global demand remains robust. To sum it up, the combination of increased festive demand and a reduced supply due to crop damage is expected to drive cardamom prices upward in the near term. Whether you are a producer or an investor, the market conditions are looking favorable, making this an excellent time to take note of cardamom's price trends. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing market. That's it for today's update on cardamom prices. If you found this analysis helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more in-depth market insights. Thank you for watching.